Hello, good morning, how are? Good afternoon, everybody. I'm getting a late start because it was raining. Oh my gosh, it was raining so hard earlier today, but I am getting ready to go to Bath and Body Works to do some exchanges. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that watch all of my videos, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, sip and chat, and following me on Instagram, as well as following my hashtag Kimble Lit Wicks or Kimble Lit Wick. You are my MVP, my MVP, my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. So thank you for always supporting me. Like I said, y'all, I'm getting ready to go to Bath and Body Works. They still doing the $11.95. Today is the last day for that, but semi-annual sale is still going on. So I'm getting ready to go and exchange 3 candles. I know I don't have to take the box, but I'm taking the boxes. This is blackberries and basil. In this packaging, this is still on the shelves for $11.95, so I shouldn't have any issues, even though it shouldn't be no issues anyway. But y'all already know, because I'm going to the store that I normally have issues with, and I ain't for it, to be honest, at all. And then the other one is the same type of packaging, but this is white tea and sage. I actually have 2 of those that I'm going to exchange out. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And I think I want to get the autumn day candle is the focus, or is the plan. That's the candle I plan on grabbing, is the autumn day, because I thought I had more of those candles, but I actually don't. I only have 1 that I'm burning and then a backup. So I plan on grabbing maybe 2 of those candles, but it will all change if this store have the new candles out. If they have the new candles out, I'm most definitely gonna grab that dark amber and oud. Yes, most definitely gonna grab that one. If they have that lavender one out, I can't even remember what it is, lavender and something, I forgot what it is, but if they have that one out, I'm gonna grab that one. But I haven't seen anybody really talking about that one yet. Lavender and vetiver, I think. If they have that one out, I'm gonna grab that one, but if not, I ain't gonna worry about it. I'm just gonna grab the autumn day candle and just be done with it. And I'm just gonna see what they have on the 75% tables. I don't plan on buying anything, I really don't. But we gonna see how that go, because y'all know I really don't like to spend money at this store. Also, I will not be recording in this store, so I don't even know how this video is even gonna turn out, because I don't plan on recording in that store. 1, it'd be too much drama. So to stop the confusion, I'm not gonna spend money in there, and I'm not going to buy anything. I'm just going to do my exchanges and more than likely leave. The last time I was at this store is when I picked up my BOPUS order. That was the last time, and I really didn't want to do it there, but that is the closest store to me versus the other ones. But yeah, that was the last time I've been in the store, and I think that was probably about 2 months ago, maybe. I think that was 2 months ago, I'm not sure. But yeah, I don't really shop at that store at all, because it's such a headache. Even though last time I went, it looked like it was all new people. So I don't know, I get the feel when I get in there. If it feels good, then maybe I will record. If it don't feel good, then I'm not even gonna pull my camera out. I will have it in my hands, but I'm not even gonna record if I feel like it's drama or it's gonna be some kind of issue, because I'm not for the drama. I'm really not. So let's head on over here to the store so I can do my exchanges. So yes, I feel like I look a hot mess. Oh, rainy days just make you feel ugly. I'm just saying, y'all. Oh, I need the sun. I need the sun out. These days, these cloudy days just don't sit well with your girl. It really, really don't. I need the sun. I love the sun. Where is the sun? But let's head on over to the store. I still haven't exchanged my items yet. The store I just came from, they did not have the candle that I'm looking for. I'm looking for Autumn Day. They didn't have it. They didn't have the new spring candles either. My area is just slow about putting stuff out, so I don't expect to find any of that stuff. But I'm at a different store now. I'm gonna see if I can exchange here. Hopefully they have that candle. I know last time I was here they had a lot of them, so it's been a couple of days. Hopefully they still have it. So we're gonna go up in here and I'm gonna check it out, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. So let's head on into the second store. Surprise, I was so surprised to walk into this store and see these candles, because I told y'all my store don't normally put stuff out early. So this is the new 2022 spring candles. Super shocked. They have not everything, but they have a lot of the collections. I really like these plain packaging jars. Even though they don't have a lot going on, I just kind of like it. You know, yeah, they had that birthday cake candle as well, but my main focus was on the oud candle. Y'all know I have been so anxious to try that oud candle. So spoiler alert, that is one of the candles that I did grab. As y'all do see, this blueberry pie candle is back. Yay, yay, yay. We've been waiting for what, 2 years for that candle to come back? So yes, it's back, y'all. Yay. I am so happy, y'all. So happy. I'm sorry I'm screaming, but I got this in my ear. Yes. I'm glad I came out here because this store had the new stuff. Yes. Lavender and Vaniver. Yes. So happy. Lavender, Vaniver, sandalwood. Yes, please. So excited for these candles. Y'all just don't know. Happy. Then I got sweet berry peony. Yes, they had everything, y'all. Peony, strawberries, pomegranate. That's the scent notes. Sweet pomegranate. It smells like sweet berries, and you get that little tartness from the pomegranate. So happy. Now the one that I'm most excited for, y'all already know, dark amber and oud. Yes, amber, rainwater, oud. Yes, it smells like a man's cologne, that woody note. It most definitely have a freshness. It's like a woody / fresh, and I guess that's that rainwater note. But nice. If you love those deep masculine scent, you will love this. I'm so happy. I wish I brought more candles. but I was only going to get Autumn Day. They completely sold out in my area. I called my other store, they don't have it. The store that's probably further out, I know they had it, but I don't want to go way out there. Yes, this smells like lavender. This smells more, it's not like, this is more of a cologne or a perfume type of lavender. They had all of the new stuff out, but I decided I'm just gonna wait on the other stuff. I just got some of the items that I really wanted. I originally picked up that birthday cake candle, but I feel like I'm just gonna wait on that one, you know, because I got a feeling it's just gonna be your typical cake candle, you know. So I feel like I could wait on that one. But these, even though I know these are gonna be around because people don't normally like scents like this or these type of notes, so I know they're gonna be around, and I probably could have waited, but these are the ones that I was most excited about. I really was excited about the oud candle as well as that Vanderveer candle. This one is just because I love pomegranate. I love the way Bath and Body Works does their pomegranate, and then the packaging is just so cute. I love the packaging. So nice. I'm so happy I finally found these candles. I did not, and I told y'all earlier, my area, they just don't put stuff out. So for them to already have these candles out, mind blowing. But I'm satisfied. I'm so happy, y'all. I'm so happy I decided to come over here, because at first I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go home. Then I said, no, let me go on out here. Since I'm kind of close to the store, let me go on over here. And I'm glad I did. So your girl is happy. Put in the comments, let me know, have you found any of these new spring candles? Have you exchanged any of your candles for these new candles? What do you think about these new candles? And I know a lot of people don't necessarily like oud, don't necessarily like Vanderveer, you know, those type of scent notes, but we really need to start branching out and really trying some of these candles, these type of scents. We always complain about Bath and Body Works always bringing out repackages, always bringing out foodie candles. Now is the time to show Bath and Body Works that we love other scents as well. We love candles like this, what I call grown people candles. We love grown people candles. You don't want to be set in the mood and you got a cake candle going on. I'm just saying, mahogany teak wood is good. All of the mahogany candles is good, but we just need something else. We just need that grown folks collection, and this is it. This is it. Give it a try. Y'all all know Bath and Body Works has a super nice return policy. If you don't like it, you can always return it. Always return it. But do not return no empty candles talking about you didn't like it. Let's be for real. So yes, try these candles. We need to show Bath and Body Works that we love scent notes like this. We love this. Lavender and Vanderveer. Oud. Amber and oud. We love, they need to have something like this in their core collection, something other than mahogany teak wood. So leave in the comments, let me know, have you got your hand on any of these candles yet? I'm so happy, y'all. I don't know what to do. I'm so happy. I'm so happy I came out here. But yeah, leave in the comments, let me know, have you got your hands on any of these candles yet? And as y'all see, this one is from the same, these are from the same collections, the lavender. Woohoo! Woohoo! So yes, let me get it together, y'all. Let me get it together. Doing too much. So yes, leave in the comments, have you got your hands on any of these candles? Have you smelled these candles yet? Leave that in the comments. Or are these some candles that you're interested in? I know a lot of y'all probably not, but leave in the comments, let me know what is your opinion about these candles. And that's gonna be it. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, follow your girl on Instagram, hit the notification bell, as well as follow my hashtag Kimble Lit Wicks or Kimble Lit Wick. Please. And I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, Peace.